The Divi Summer Sale is in full swing with incredible discounts across the entire Divi marketplace. Whether you want to expand your toolkit with powerful plugins or enhance your site's design with beautiful layouts, there has never been a time to claim some of these amazing deals. We've roamed hundreds of marketplace deals, and today we wanted to bring you some of the best ones that you can get right now. Right now, you can pick up Divi Form Builder for 50% off. Normally $128, right now only $64 during the Divi Summer Sale. The Divi Form Builder by Divi Engine is the ultimate form creation tool designed specifically for Divi users. This powerful plugin allows you to build anything from simple contact forms to complex front-end post-creation interfaces without writing a single line of code. Perfect for enhancing user interaction on your site, Divi Form Builder integrates seamlessly with advanced custom fields, making it a go-to solution for any Divi-powered website. At just $64, this is an unbeatable deal to enhance your Divi website with a feature-rich form builder. Right now, you can also pick up Popup Pro at a whopping 50% off. Normally $19, now it's only $9.50 during the Divi Summer Sale. The Popup Pro extension by Divi Next transforms clicks into conversions, which is the goal of a lot of people. This powerful tool lets you create highly customizable pop-ups to capture your audience's attention precisely at the right moment. Popup Pro gives you full control whether you want to trigger pop-ups manually, on page load, or based on user behavior like scrolling or inactivity. You can even target specific user roles, devices, and pages, making your pop-ups as precise and effective as possible. And at $9.50, this is an unbeatable price for an extension that will elevate your site's user engagement and conversion rates. If you're looking for another amazing deal, right now you can pick up Woo Essential, which is normally $79 for only $39.50. The Woo Essential extension by Divi Next is the all-in-one solution to supercharge your WooCommerce store with advanced features, all seamlessly integrated with Divi. Designed to enhance user experience, streamline navigation, and drive sales, this extension offers a powerful suite of tools to elevate your e-commerce platform. Even better, right now, it's at a whopping 50% discount, which makes Woo Essential an incredible value for any Divi user looking to enhance their WooCommerce store. Divi Areas Pro right now is at an unbeatable price at 50% off. Normally $169, it can be yours for $84.50 during the Divi Summer Sale. The Divi Areas Pro extension by Divi Mode is your gateway to creating truly interactive and dynamic content on your Divi website. This premium tool was developed by the creators of the widely popular pop-ups for Divi. It introduces advanced features like pop-ups, tooltips, fly-ins, and dynamic inline areas to engage visitors like never before. Built on a powerful API with a clean, lightweight design, Divi Areas Pro offers unparalleled flexibility for adding sophisticated, conditional content displays that respond to user interactions and behaviors. And right now, this is the best time that there ever has been to get it, since you can pick it up right now at only $84.50. Another fantastic deal right now is Avanti, which is normally $35, but right now you can pick it up for $17.50. The Avanti child theme is the perfect solution for anyone looking to jumpstart their website design with minimal effort. This multi-purpose theme includes over 60 pages tailored for 9 different niches, making it a versatile choice whether you're building an online store, a corporate site, or a creative portfolio. With a strong integration with WooCommerce, Avanti equips you with everything needed to create a polished, professional site that stands out. And if you want to take advantage of it, this is the fantastic deal since you can pick it up at only $17.50. Another excellent deal is the Divi Hero Header Layout Pack. Normally $9.99, right now is only $5 during the Divi Summer Sale. The Divi Hero Header Layout Pack is designed to make a powerful first impression on your website visitors, and right now you can get it at 50% off. This layout pack is your key to creating stunning, visually engaging hero sections that capture attention from the moment your page loads. Each hero section is fully customizable, allowing you to tailor the design to fit your brand perfectly. The pack is versatile enough to be used across various niches, from businesses and lifestyle to travel and fashion. Plus, all sections are fully responsive, ensuring they look great on any device. At just $5, this layout pack is an affordable way to elevate your website's visual appeal and user experience. Another awesome theme you can pick up right now is the Divi Blog Magazine theme, which is only $4.50, down from $9. The Divi Blog Magazine theme by Divi Professional is a clean and elegant solution for modern bloggers and publishers. And it's available now at a fantastic 50% discount. Designed with minimalism in mind, this theme offers clutter-free, visually appealing layouts that ensure your content shines on any device, whether it's a personal blog or a full-scale online magazine. This child theme is ideal for various niches, including fashion, photography, travel, and lifestyle. And it's fully responsive, making it perfect for bloggers who want their content to look great across all screen sizes. At just $4.50, this theme is a budget-friendly choice for bloggers who want a professional-looking site without all the hassle. And finally, we have the Divi Query Builder, which normally is $19, but you can pick it up right now for $9.50 during the Divi Summer Sale. The Divi Query Builder by Divi Coding is a powerful extension designed for those needing full control over their content display. Perfect for working with custom post types, this tool allows you to easily create and manage custom queries, ensuring that your content is always tailored to your audience's needs. With Divi Query Builder, you can effortlessly generate loops and display them in various styles, from grids to carousels to lists and full-width layouts. At just $9.50 down from $19, this extension is an invaluable tool for any Divi user looking to display custom content across their site. Now, also, if you want to get some of the steepest deals available, you might want to check out some of our marketplace bundles. These curated collections include some of the best layouts, themes, plugins, and so much more. Right now, you can get the Module Booster Bundle for 50% off. With this, you can add over 250 new Divi modules to your toolkit for a fraction of the price you'd pay at any other time of the year. You can also pick up the Layout Booster Bundle for 50% off as well. The largest Divi Layouts bundle is here, but only for a limited time. This includes over 18,500 pre-made layouts just for you. Also, there's the Feature Booster Bundle, which is also 50% off right now. This is the ultimate bundle for those looking to extend Divi's already extensive functionality. Every product in this bundle adds more to Divi and WordPress's standard features and enhances your website building capabilities. Make sure you go to elegantthemes.com/summer to take advantage of the Divi Summer Sale. These deals won't last long, and you definitely don't want to miss out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. Before you go though, make sure you check out some of our other content, and I'll see you in the next one.